Type 1. Introduction and personal information. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Alex. My name is Alex.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from USA. I'm from USA.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 3 siblings. Yes, I have 3 siblings.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer. I'm a software engineer.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
No, I don't have any siblings. No, I don't have any siblings.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes, I'm married. Yes, I'm married.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Jaipur, India. I live in Jaipur, India.
Do you have children? Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children. Yes, I have 2 children.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red.
What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak?
I speak Hindi and English. I speak Hindi and English. Next, daily routine and activities.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 3 o'clock. I wake up at 3 o'clock.
What do you usually have for breakfast? What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have banana. I usually have banana.
How do you get to work school? How do you get to work school?
I usually take the bus to work school. I usually take the bus to work school.
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I read, watch movies, play sports, etc. In my free time, I read, watch movies, play sports, etc.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 4 o'clock. I go to bed at 4 o'clock.
Do you exercise? Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise regularly. Yes, I exercise regularly.
Do you exercise? Do you exercise?
No, I don't exercise much. No, I don't exercise much.
How often do you go to the gym? How often do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym about 3 times a week. I go to the gym about 3 times a week.
Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking?
No, I don't enjoy cooking. No, I don't enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading. My favorite hobby is reading.
How do you usually spend weekends? How do you usually spend weekends?
I usually spend weekends relaxing, traveling, with friends, family. I usually spend weekends relaxing, traveling, with friends, family. Next, work and study.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at Verbal Communication. I work at Verbal Communication.
Where do you study? Where do you study?
I study at Apex University. I study at Apex University.
What's your job? What's your job?
I'm a software developer. I'm a software developer.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. Yes, I like my job.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
No, I don't like my job. No, I don't like my job.
What did you study? What did you study?
I studied science. I studied science.
What are your career goals? What are your career goals?
My career goal is to become a project manager. My career goal is to become a project manager.
How long have you been working? How long have you been working?
I have been working for 1 year. I have been working for 1 year.
How long have you been studying? How long have you been studying?
I have been studying for 6 months. I have been studying for 6 months.
Do you work from home? Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home. Yes, I work from home.
Do you work from home? Do you work from home?
No, I work in an office. No, I work in an office.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English.
Do you prefer working alone or with a team? Do you prefer working alone or with a team?
I prefer working alone. I prefer working alone.
Do you prefer working alone or with a team? Do you prefer working alone or with a team?
I prefer working in a team. I prefer working in a team.
Do you have any job experience? Do you have any job experience?
No, this is my first job. No, this is my first job.
Next, travel and leisure. Next, travel and leisure. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I love traveling.
Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
No, I don't enjoy traveling much. No, I don't enjoy traveling much.
Where is your favorite place to travel? Where is your favorite place to travel?
My favorite place is Jaipur. My favorite place is Jaipur.
Have you been abroad? Have you been abroad?
No, I haven't been abroad yet. No, I haven't been abroad yet.
Have you been abroad? Have you been abroad?
Yes, I have been to USA and UK. Yes, I have been to USA and UK.
What's the best vacation you've ever had? What's the best vacation you've ever had?
The best vacation I had was in Pink City. The best vacation I had was in Pink City.
How do you like to travel? By plane, train, car? How do you like to travel? By plane, train, car?
I like to travel by plane, train, car. I like to travel by plane, train, car.
Do you prefer the beach? Do you prefer the beach?
Yes, I prefer the beach. Yes, I prefer the beach.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the mountains. I prefer the mountains.
What's your dream destination? What's your dream destination?
My dream destination is Pink City. My dream destination is Pink City.
How often do you travel? How often do you travel?
I travel frequently. I travel frequently.
Have you ever been on a road trip? Have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes, I've been on a road trip. Yes, I've been on a road trip.
Have you ever been on a road trip? Have you ever been on a road trip?
No, I've never been on one. No, I've never been on one.
What's the most interesting place you visited? What's the most interesting place you visited?
The most interesting place I visited is Pink City. The most interesting place I visited is Pink City.
Thanks for watching Everyday English Pro. Please like, share, and subscribe.